Hello po, isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Nagpupugay muli sa inyo sa isa na namang edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. Ngayon po ay January 13, 2023, Biyernes, Friday, January 13. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa Philippine stock market. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, naimbitahan po yung mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong tanong tungkol sa stock market o tungkol sa wealth management, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong aalis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, Friday, January 13, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating balita, headlines po ay galing po sa BDO Securities. BSP may trim RRR in first half 23, cut rates in 2024. RRR is a required reserve requirement. Yan po yung for every peso, you will have to keep a certain percentage with the BSP. Yan po yung required reserve. Government grants new tax incentives to tourism firms, common tower builders. Then company news, MWIDE enters data center business. Then MEG to build Savoy Hotel in Palawan. Bank's NPL ratio declines further to 3.35% in November. And airlines told to temper recovery expectations. Pero ang ating headlines ay nandito po. Galing po ng Business World. PSEI climbs on rate hike bets ahead of US Consumer Price Index. The article is referring to yesterday's index, no? Pero tignan po natin kung ano nangyayari sa index ngayon kasi 247 na po. It's up, 111.53 points or 6945.06. Malapit na po mag 700. And then, stocks climbed on Thursday ahead of the release of U.S. Consumer Price Index report overnight, which investors expect to be a key consideration at the U.S. Federal Reserve policy meeting later this month. And following comments from the BSP chief, the bellwether Philippine Stock Exchange Index rose 124.19 points or 1.85%. Ito po yung report po natin kahapon, while the broader all-share index went up by 48.58 points and it's up 1.37%. Regina Capital Development head Luis Limlingan said the shares rallied on Thursday on bets that the U.S. Central Bank could deliver smaller rate hikes amid expectation of easing inflation. Okay, then back home, investors digested recent signals from the BSP for a possible interest rate adjustment of up to 50 basis points and sustained hawkish commentaries from the Fed. Unicapital Securities Inc. equity research analyst Neil Andrew Maderahe said in a Viber message that the PSE rose to the 6,800 resistance level amid a healthy 7.8 billion value turnover, as the BSP noted that the pressure to match the Fed's increases will be much lower. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news sa PSE Index. And let's just check if you have some comments here. Sabi po ni Cryptocurrency Update, Sir, paano po magsimula dyan? Anong gamit na apps? May tutorial po kayo, sana magkaroon din po. Salamat, sir. Actually, nag-research lang po ako sa internet, but the platform that I use, itong program to which nakikita nyo yung aking screen, kung ano nakikita ko, nakikita nyo rin, OBS Studio po. OBS Studio po ang aking ginagamit. And I also do my live broadcast with OBS Studio. So, wala pong bayad yun. It's free. You can download it from the internet. Pero syempre, may mga YouTube tutorials po yan. At doon lang po ako nag-research sa YouTube tutorials. Philip Gons, nice, thanks. Salamat po, Philip. And then, nagre-request po siya ng MWIDE. Okay, Philip, gawin po natin yung MWIDE na request mo. Okay, at silipin po natin ang most active stocks habang hindi pa po nagsasara ang ating index. Ang pinaka most active ay si Ali, which is now flat. BDO, ICT, SM, JFC, URC, Monde, BPI, and TEL is up. AP, EMI, Converge, Glow, yun po. No? And Metro Pacific is also up. Tingnan nga natin si Metro Pacific, no? So, tingnan natin si BDO. And then, let's take a look at ICT. And then, CURC, BPI, and Metro Pacific. Kasi may rumors daw na magde-delist na daw si Metro Pacific dahil may papasok daw na malaking investor. Pero sa akin, it will drive the stock higher, ano? Kasi nga, it has been very low for a long time. So we will be back soon after the index closes. Okay, we're back. The index closed at 6951.54, 118.01 points up or 1.73%. So pataas po ang index, malapit na pong mag 7,000 level, pero sabi nila ay resistance level na po ito. At tingnan nga natin kung resistance level nga, no? Tama siya. Resistance level nga siya. So nasa 6830 or to 6900 ang resistance level ng index, eh. 6900 yung kanyang pinaka-resistance, ano? Pero mukhang mabe-break po niya. At yung kanyang RSI ay nasa 67.92. Market activity, 64 ang bumaba, 126 ang umabante, 46 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index ay umakyat ng 1.38%. Lahat ng sectoral indices ay umakyat. Pinangunahan po ng financials at 4.44%. So, ang most active stock ay Ali, followed by SM, BDO, and ICT. Pero ang mga gainers po, among the index stocks, makikita po natin dito sa left side, URC, BPI, and there's one, nickel, 8.11%. Ano? So, tingnan po natin ang anim na ito. Let's take a look at MWIDE, BDO, ICT, URC, BPI, at silipin din natin si Metro Pacific. So let's go first with MWIDE. Si MWIDE ended with a doji or ended with a red candlestick. Mukhang nagko-consolidate lang po siya. Pero yung kanyang candlestick ay mataas pa rin, ano? Higher than the short and medium term indicators, at bullish po siya in the long and medium term, in the short and medium term rather. At RSI niya is bullish at 61.15, so it ended at 545 with support dito po sa 3 pesos, and the resistance, actually this is resistance level already, and we can place the resistance at the MA100 at 3.60 to 3.62. So yan po si MWIDE, pero bullish po ang dating sa akin on the short and medium term. And then si BDO naman. Si BDO, 190 na siya. At meron po siyang breakout. So kahapon po, nagkaroon po siya ng green engulfing candlestick, pero hindi po ito breakout. But today, nagkaroon po ng continuation with a breakout 4.39% up. And this is the highest in more than, tingnan natin, highest in more than, ito po ay 52-week high. 119. 52-week high po ito. At yung previous resistance po niya na ngayon ay support ay nasa 112 to 113. So, isang araw lang po ang kinakailangan ng BDO para mag 52-week high po ito. At dahil ito ay breakout, we expect the stock to have some consolidation in the following days and a continuation because of the 2 successive days volume. So magkakaroon po ito ng continuation. Maaring mag-consolidate po muna bago magkaroon ng continuation paakyat. So obserbahan niyo lang po si BDO at this point. But the stock is trending upwards and the RSI is up 67.16, reaching or approaching overbought levels. Then next we have ICT. Si ICT, so resistance level na rin po siya. Nagkaroon po siya ng tail or head, no, na mataas, tapos bumaba po siya. Ang 52-week high niya is 236, but it reached a high of 213 today. So yung kanyang resistance, this is a resistance point already. Yan po yung 208. 206 to 208 po ang resistance level. And the next higher ay nandito po nasa 221, 222 ang kanyang pinaka next resistance level, and it's bullish based on the 1-week chart. Next we have URC. Si URC, another breakout po ito si URC. Nagkaroon po siya ng maliit na candlestick yesterday pero may volume po, no? Tapos ngayon ay natuloy ang kanyang breakout. The stock closed at 149.80, which is a 52-week high also. Tataasan itong mga stocks na ito. Okay, URC is, let's take a look, ano? Kasi ang support level niya na dating resistance, ito po let's draw a parallel channel, ano? Yan po ito po yung resistance level ni URC, nasa 149.8, no, it's lower than that, 147, ano, pero nasa 149.80, mukhang na-breach na po yung kanyang resistance level. And the support is follows the EMA 50 or follows the EMA 20 at 137.77, at na-breach na po siya. Na-breach na po niya ang resistance level at ang kanyang relative strength ay overbought. Nasa 71.71. It's overbought. So, tignan niyo po in the next few days kung ano mangyari dito. But since this is a breakout and there is volume, the possibility of the stock moving higher is there. Yun po ang aking assessment dito sa stock. There is a possibility of the stock moving higher because there is a breakout with volume. Next, we have BPI. BPI, another breakout po ito. Kapareho po ng BDO na nagkaroon po ng breakout. I think the news that made the financials high today is on the NPL ratio. Meron pong news sa NPL ratio. Bank's NPL ratio declines further to 3.35%. Ito po yung gross non-performing loans. Kasi po, yung mga nagpapass due, after a certain number of days, kina-classify po siya as non-performing. And since the non-performing loans is getting smaller, ibig sabihin po, nagbabayad po yung mga creditors po ng mga bangko. Or yung mga in-extend po ng credit. Po. Kaya si BPI ay may breakout ngayon, and there's horizontal. Ito po yung pinaka-resistance niya na naging support, nasa 105.11 ang kanyang pinaka resistance, resistance before na ngayon ay support. Okay, so yan po si BPI. So expect some consolidation or an upward movement followed by a continuation in the next few days, considering today is a Friday. Normally profit taking po yan, pero BPI moved higher because of that news of a lower NPL ratio. Then finally, we have Metro Pacific. Si Metro Pacific ay yan, nagko-consolidate lang po siya. At ito, 395 is already high, 52-week high niya is 408 na na-reach po niya noong January 11. So, ngayon po ay nasa 395. And fundamentally, if you'll check BPI, Metro Pacific pala. Metro Pacific has a buy rating with a target price of 6 pesos, and based on yesterday's prices, it's about a 55% upside more or less. So fundamentally po. Pero the stock went as low as 314 nung December 19. Yun po yung pinaka-lowest level niya. Ngayon po ay nasa 395. Measure nga natin. If you could have bought here and held on to the stock, 16 transaction days or 20.75% gain without the commissions, of course, kung kayo po ay bumili dito at this point. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-13 ng Enero. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.